Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have another wig review. I know I have been MIA. I have been taking a small break. So some of these wigs have been reviewed, but you know what I'm gonna say. They haven't been reviewed by me. So that means that you deserve a review from me. So the wig I have today, I'm super excited about it, and the reason why is because I love the Color Bomb collection. This collection has beautiful colors. I have so many wigs from this collection. So this one here is going to be LEVANA, and I have it in this really pretty color, DRSD Sunfire Night. Yeah, that's a mouthful. So 22 inches. You guys already know these come with 5 inches of parting area. You get some baby hairs on it, pre-plucked, blah blah blah, all that stuff. This is going to be the care card that goes along with it. And here is the wig. Look at the color. She's giving. I love the color of it. I love this for the summer. Not too bright. Loving the orange. Love this really pretty dark chocolate color. So this wig is going to be like a deep wave. You got waves and waves and waves in here, and then you got a little bit of curl at the end. So I will say that I noticed underneath already start to tangle. You know you're gonna get the real deal. It started to tangle just a little bit from being on the wig head. Great thing about this that I do like is going to be the baby hairs in the front. Hairs that comes in the front, that's them. They're pretty light. It is kind of thick around here, but that's okay. So let's go ahead on and get it on. Look at that color. Like I love the Color Bomb collection because the colors, everything, they always are really nice. I love their color. Now it's a little snug. I don't know if I just have it too tight, but let's get it. So let's get into it. I did go in and spray it a little bit, and then I blow dried it. So like I said, it was a little bit snug, but I think it's because I had on my wig grip and I had it tight in the back. So if you take that in consideration, it fit fine once I got it on. What I did was I went ahead on and I cut up the wig lace on the wig in the front, and then I laid it down, and then I cut the rest. So my plan was to take a little bit of edges out, which I kind of did, and then I just blended the side in. This wig is a throw and go, you guys. You don't have to worry about doing all that plucking. For those who don't want to do it, you're not keeping the wig on forever. You just want to throw it on for the day or for an occasion. It's perfect for that. It gives you color, it gives you bounce. You have plenty of volume in this, and that's just what I did. So what I'm doing here, as you can see, I'm just swooping that hair right into my hair. Now I wanted you to see a little bit of scalp. That's why I parted it first. So what I'm showing you here is this bang. Although I like it, y'all, it got on my last nerve. This bang just wouldn't do right, and it kept coming for my lashes. So I did go in and trim it just a teeny bit. Underneath, that was a problem. The reason why was because it kept tangling. The hair is so soft, it feels so good, but you get a little bit of tangling under there. So I went in and I played with it. It just needed some extra TLC. So I'm lifting the bang so that it doesn't keep falling in my face. All in all, I love the color. I love the wig. I think it's a great throw and go. It's not perfect, but it definitely will give you a look. Stay tuned for some pros and some cons. You know I got more to say. Okay guys, so this is the final look for this. Again, she's cute. I love this color in the front. I think that the color came out really good. The only con I have is the bang part. I did feel like I had to lift that up quite a bit. The front of this needs to be plucked more if you want to get like a really good look, because you know it's kind of thick in the front. Otherwise, the color and the style to me is what really make the wig. This color coming in the front, sitting on top of this chocolate. And this side right here seems to be better. I like that better, that it's more blended. And the hair on it is really soft as well. Color Bomb collection usually does a good job when it comes to the color. Hair quality, it's okay. Like I said, underneath already started to tangle just a little bit on me. So what I did is I went in and, you know, just used my fingers and did the finger roll thing and just kind of made it, you know, behave. But other than that, yeah, this is pretty. Let you see it from the back. This is the back of it. Obviously I haven't seen the back, but here you go. This is the back of it. It's pretty nice. Sits good. Is it summer proof? I can get under the back of it. So like I said, I like the wig. I just think it needs a little bit of work. I did go outside and take a couple of pictures so you guys could see it in the sunlight. Went in my backyard. So this is direct sunlight, and as you can see, the color is super pretty. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.